Meethay Chaawal or sweet rice is the most popular dessert in Pakistan. Let's see how to make it.
Hello everyone. The ingredients we need are rice 1.5 cup, sugar 1.5 cup, food color. We need yellow food color, red food color and green food color. I'm using these two in powder form and the green I have in liquid, so I'm using in liquid form. Cardamom 2 tablespoon butter, nuts of your choice, rose water 1 tablespoon, oil 1 tablespoon and then 1.5 cup of water for cooking. I will start my instant pot on saute mode. First uncover the lid. Press saute mode. It's on more. More means maximum heat. Now I will add my oil and add cardamom. Cook it for 2-3 minutes. After 2 minutes I will add butter. Let the butter melt. Now the butter is melted. I will add water and add rice. I have already soaked my rice for 30 minutes. Now I will cover the lid. Set the handle to sealing mode. Cancel saute mode and start pressure mode. Pressure cook. Set the time to 3 minutes. And the pressure is on high. We need high pressure. 3 minutes pressure is done. Now I will release it and open the handle. Now open the lid. At this point I will add sugar in it. Mix them with soft hands. Now I will cover the lid again. Set the handle to sealing mode. I will start the pressure again. Press pressure mode for 2 minutes on high heat. 2 minutes pressure is done. Now I will set the handle on venting. Now open the lid. Add your nuts. Mix them gently. Now start saute mode on maximum heat. More. I have started the saute mode to dry out this water because of sugar. When it starts drying out, we will cancel the saute mode. Now here you can see the water is dried out. I will cancel the saute mode at this point. Now the saute mode is off. I will add rose water and the food color at this point. Now I will put a paper towel on the top, cover the lid, I will start the setting to keep warm for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, rice are ready. Rice are ready to serve.